Welcome to this tutorial on generating calendar dates in Excel. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to create a dynamic range of dates quickly and easily using the sequence function. In the later part of the video, I will use conditional formatting to enhance the visual appearance of the calendar. Let's get started. So this is the calendar template that we have made. So here in this first cell, if I write equal sequence bracket start 6, 7, close this bracket and press enter. So you can see that sequence function simply generate the number starting from the 1 to 7 and then continue this range up to 42. If I also give another comma and then give the start date in the form of this month and then press enter, now you can see that it has generated the numbers, but these numbers are actually date. We need to change the cell format. So I'm going to select this and then press Ctrl 1, and from the format cell option I will go to this date option and select any date format that I want. For example, if I select this date format and then press OK, so now you can see that we have the dates starting from the 1st December and onward. So the calendar has been generated, but we need to fix some issues. So luckily the first date of the December is on Sunday, but if I change this month to November, now you can see that the first date of the November is on Sunday. So if I check it from the calendar, you can see that from the calendar that the 1st November was actually on Friday. So I have to move this 1st November from Sunday to the Friday on the 6th column. I need to amend the formula. So here after the month I will write minus weekday bracket start, select this month and then write plus 1, close this bracket and press enter. So now you can see that the first date of November is on Friday, that is actually present in the calendar, and it will work for all the months. Like for example, if I switch this month to December, so it is again coming to the first date of the Sunday. So changing this formula like this will fix the issue that the first date will automatically now switch between the days dynamically. Now we will set the format of the cell, because in the cells we don't need the month name as well as the year. So I will select this range and then press Ctrl 1 to open the cell format. So I will go to the custom and then I will type DD only and then press OK. So this will only give the date of the month that is actually needed. Another thing that in the calendar I only wanted to visualize the dates of the current month. To format them, I will select this range and this time I will go to the conditional formatting and here I will select the new rule. I will go to use a formula to determine which cell to format, and here I will write the formula equal month in the C5 cell. If it is not equal to the month in the top cell, then it should be formatted as, I will fill it with light gray color, change the font color to a little bit lighter and then click OK. Again OK. So now you can see that only the dates of this month is in the dark color and it is changing dynamically as I go to other months. As you have seen that if I want to switch from one month to other month, I have to change the date in this top cell by going to this formula bar and then changing the month. So if I want to make it more dynamic, I can go to the developer tab, go to insert, and I will choose this spin button and make this button over here. To open its setting, I'll press Ctrl 1. So I will set the current value to 1, minimum value to 1, maximum value to 12, and also link it to any cell. Like for example, I select this A2 cell and then press OK. So now if I press this button, you can see that the number is changing in this A2 cell. And now in this date format, instead of writing the month manually, I will select this cell A2. This will provide the month to this date formula and then click enter. Now the month and calendar is dynamically switching between different months. I can simply hide this number by going to this cell, go to the home, and then change the font color to white. Lastly, if I want to highlight the current day, I will select this range, go to the conditional formatting, and this time I will go to this highlight cell rules and I will go all the way down to a date occurring, and here I will select today, select the formatting type to light red fill, and then click OK. So now the current date is highlighted with the help of a color. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you are now more confident using the sequence function to generate calendar dates in Excel. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'll gladly help.